In this video, you'll learn how to create a connection via link. Instead of asking a client for their logins and passwords, you generate a link in the app section and send it over. The client signs into their own app account, and the connection appears in your Albato account. It's built for agencies, iPaaS companies, and freelancers who set up automations on behalf of clients. Log into your Albato account. Go to the app section and click Add a Connection. Select the app you need. Instead of connecting it yourself, click Create a Connection by Link. Give the connection a name you'll recognize later, and click Continue. Copy the generated link and send it to your client. Keep in mind that the link works only once and is valid for 48 hours. The client opens the link and grants Albato access to the app. Then they enter their login and password or API key or authorize via OAuth. If everything is correct, they see a confirmation message. Refresh the apps page and make sure the new connection has been added to your account. You can now use it in automations. Two things to keep in mind. The link can be used a single time and expires after 48 hours. If the client misses that window, click Refresh Credentials to get a new link. Connect client accounts without asking for their logins and passwords. One link, and the connection is in your account. The full guide is in the link in the description.